Hello, and welcome to EncryptPro. We believe security should be simple, easy, and yours to control. That's why EncryptPro packs it all. Lightning-fast AES 256 encryption, on-click file protection, seamless editing on the fly, custom groups for efficient file system security, secure data access on any device, online or offline, with zero-knowledge privacy, and no lockouts even if your subscription is expired or you never plan to renew your subscription again. In this video, we'll walk you through these powerful features and show you step by step how to use EncryptPro to secure and access your data effortlessly. To get started with EncryptPro, first you need to register on our website. Then, navigate to the pricing section and select the plan that best aligns with your needs.
We also offer a free forever version of EncryptPro, with the same military-grade AES 256 encryption as our paid plans, ensuring your data stays protected, perfect for users with basic needs. For users who need true data freedom, our paid plans provide the robust security with complete ease of access. Access your secure data from any device, work with all file types uninterrupted, and never lose access to your encrypted data under any circumstances.
Our dedicated support team is here to answer general questions about the software, guide you through the purchase process, or assist businesses seeking multiple license keys. Simply start a live chat or send a message via our support page for prompt, personalized help. After purchasing, you'll receive an email with your license key. Then you will be able to download the software from our website. After downloading, run the installer and follow the simple process to install EncryptPro on your system. Open EncryptPro and enter your license key from the email to activate it. Then set up your account by choosing a username and a strong master password. Your master password is critical. Write it down and store it securely, as our zero-knowledge privacy policy means we won't be able to recover it if lost. Once you have securely saved your master password, check these two boxes and click on Done to complete your account setup. You're now ready to use EncryptPro. You have your account-related information here, your groups here, and for help or information, you can come here. So let's start by securing some data using on-click security feature of EncryptPro. When you first log into the software creates the general group by default, with your master password as your group password. The password of any group can be changed from here anytime. To encrypt any single file, multiple files, or folder from your system, you can just right-click and this Encrypt option will pop up with the list of groups. Simply select the group and the files will be encrypted with lightning-fast AES 256 encryption and associated with your selected group. Similarly, to decrypt any single file, multiple files, or folder, you can just right-click and this Decrypt option will pop up. You will be asked to provide your file's corresponding group password for decryption. So this is how simple and easy it is to secure your data with EncryptPro. But what if you quickly want to view or edit any encrypted file, and you don't want to go through the hassle of decrypting the file first, then open, edit, and save the file, and after that encrypt the file again? This is where EncryptPro's on-the-fly access feature comes in, which allows you to work freely with encrypted files as if they were unencrypted. Just double-click to open any encrypted file, provide the password, and the software will directly open this file with its default program. Now you are free to view or edit the file. Once you're done making your changes, simply click on Save My Changes, and the software will take care of the rest. Now let's open the file again to verify our changes. As you can see, the changes which we just made are successfully saved into the file, and this on-the-fly access feature will work with all types of files, your text files, your Word documents, Excel sheets, videos, pictures, you name it, as long as you have a default program set in your system to open these types of files. But EncryptPro just doesn't stop here in providing ease of access with your encrypted files. So let's move on to the next feature, which is going to make working with your encrypted files even easier. And that feature is efficient file system security with groups. You can have up to 5 custom groups. Let's say you have some work, personal, family, and project files that you normally work with. So you can add these groups and secure those files with their corresponding groups.
To add a group, simply click on Add Group button over here. Enter the group name, provide your master password, and the group password which you want to set, and click on Confirm button. So let's secure our files with their corresponding groups.
Now, if you have to work on your project, you can just double-click to open any file and access it, but it will ask you for the password. So to make it even easier, you can simply unlock the project group and avoid the password prompts. Work freely on your project files. When you're done working, just lock the project group with one click and all the files will become password protected again. You'll always have clear visual indicators for your groups and their lock statuses right on the files and the folder's icons. The default group, called the general group, is assigned the G1 ID, and as you add more groups, they'll receive sequential IDs like G2, G3, and so on. When you secure a file with a specific group, that encrypted file will display an icon reflecting its corresponding group ID. For example, files secured with the general group will show a G1 icon, while those in the work group will display a G2 icon. The group's lock status is clearly indicated by the icon's lock shape and color, providing an instant at-a-glance view of the file's protection status. This intuitive design ensures you can quickly identify a file's group and security state without digging into file details or opening the software. Okay, so that's all about securing your data and working with the groups. Now let's explore the features that ensure you're never locked out and always maintain full control and secure access to your data, no matter the circumstances. Because EncryptPro is not just an encryption software which encrypts your files in one system, it's a comprehensive data security solution that safeguards your files across any device, anywhere in the world. Designed to handle fail-safe scenarios with efficiency and uncompromising security, it empowers you with confidence and control. Before we continue, we want to emphasize that EncryptPro does not and will never transmit any data to our servers beyond the initial authentication required during login. All your keys and passwords remain securely tied to you through our zero-knowledge architecture, ensuring maximum privacy. For complete transparency, we'll include a link in the description to a detailed video analyzing EncryptPro's network activity using Wireshark, a trusted network traffic tool, to demonstrate that no data is sent to our servers except during login process. With EncryptPro, you get persistent login. Log in once and stay logged in for up to 5 to 10 days. No need to re-authenticate after system restarts or session timeouts. You will also see when your login will expire in the software UI. Alright, but what if your login has expired and you don't have internet connection? With EncryptPro, you get offline data access and no logout policy to make sure your data is always securely accessible when you are offline and cannot log into the software, or even when your subscription is expired or you never plan to renew your subscription again. All you need to do is log in using the viewer-only mode option, which does not require internet or software active subscription, and allows you to access your data freely. You can decrypt your files or open encrypted files using on-the-fly access feature and access your data freely without internet and software subscription dependency. The only limitation with viewer-only mode is that you won't be able to add new groups and encrypt new files. Because to encrypt new files, you must be logged into the software. EncryptPro guarantees uninterrupted control and access to your data under any circumstances. Even if our servers go offline, your subscription has expired, or you choose never to renew your subscription again. Your data remains fully accessible and secure, always under your command. EncryptPro software is exceptionally robust. It handles the fail case scenarios perfectly. For instance, you might be thinking, how EncryptPro will provide secure access to my encrypted files from flash drive to any device I connect to without internet? What about my groups and the files associated with those groups if I'm on a new device? We have answers to all of these questions, and we will be showing you practically how EncryptPro handles all of these cases efficiently in the second part of this video series, which will be available only for our customers. In the second part of the video, we will also mention some of the key points that you need to keep in mind while using EncryptPro for ultimate security and effortless data access. To get started with EncryptPro, visit our website and navigate to the pricing page to select the plan that best suits your needs. Our dedicated support team is here to answer general questions about the software or assist with the purchase process. Rest easy knowing your data is safe. Grab EncryptPro today for simple, stress-free security.